Today I'm going to show you how you can find the missing part and then write your fact family equations. Here is my part-whole box. Now this one looks kind of upside down from what we normally do, but we can still see that we have our two parts that go together to make our whole. So in this case I have 17 as my whole and 4 as one of the parts, but I'm missing the other part. So I'm going to show you how I can find that missing part and then how I can know what my equations would be for my fact family. So one way I can do this is I can count on and draw dots as I'm counting on. So if I'm using this strategy, I know that I start at the part that I know and I stop when I get to the whole. So in this case, I'm going to start counting at 4, then I'm going to stop when I get to 17. So I say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I can see that I needed 13 to make my whole. If I put 13 and 4 together, then I have my whole. So another way that I can do this, finding my missing part and making my fact family, is I can use related facts. If I look at the parts that I already know, I can see that I can make a subtraction equation from the parts that I know. I know that I start with my whole, so I can start with 17. And I know that I can find my other part by taking away the part that I know. So if I do 17 minus 4, then I can find my other part. So 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. And I can see that my other part is 13. Now that I know that 13 is my other part, I can easily put together my fact family. When I'm looking at addition, I know that I put my two parts together and add them to make the whole. So my first equation I can make is 13 plus 4 equals 17. Another equation I can make is by doing the turnaround fact for addition. So I can move my parts in a different order because I know that I can add my numbers in any order. So my other equation would be 4 plus 13 equals 17, my whole. I already used one of my subtraction sentences to help myself figure out that missing part, but that one was 17 minus 4 equals 13. If I want to know my last one, again, I know I can move my parts around with still making sense. So if I move my parts around, I can take 17 minus 13, and it would still equal 4. Before I move on and think that I'm done, I have to make sure that my fact family follows the two rules of does it use all three numbers in the part-whole box, and are each of them true? And when I go back and look, I can see that yes, all 4 equations have the 3 numbers that are in my fact family, 13, 4, and 17, and all of them are true. I could use other strategies to help myself check this by drawing a picture, using a number line, or using counters. Now you know how to find a missing part in the part-whole box and make your fact family.